Hello, children. Welcome back. It's Miss Sharon and Frank once again. Are you ready for today's sound? I can see that. Well done. You're all so smart. So, today's sound is uh, uh, uh. Let me show you a picture. These children love to dance. They've been inside all day, so they decided to go out and dance. They whirled and twirled, whirled and twirled. Uh, whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. Well done. I've got some words for you. Remember to say the sounds after me and then say the word. Right? Ready? B, d. Bird. Well done. D. Third. L. Well. D, t. Dirt. Great job. Whirl and twirl. I love to whirl and twirl, just like these children. Now let's see what the sound looks like. Two letters, one sound, special friends. We don't sound the okay? Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. Watch me. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. It's your turn now. Are you ready? Sitting smart. Off we go. Jolly good. I love how you say the sound. Well done. I'm now going to show you all the sounds that you have learned so far. Try to say them as fast as you can. I know you can do it. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a bit louder. Have fun. Off we go.
You have worked incredibly hard today. Is that right, Frank? And you have also learned a new sound. I'm really proud of you. We both are, really. Our time is up, children. I hope you have enjoyed yourselves today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.